This is a typical 6-mark question to do with a parachute jump. Right, if you look at the graph, first of all you need to understand what the axes are. You've got on the y-axis, you've got the vertical velocity and time along the bottom. And you should have in class, you should have possibly seen this shape of graph before and try to understand it in terms of balanced, unbalanced forces. Now, this question is about forces, so you really need to be able to use the key words. Now, the key words the examiner is looking for are things like terminal velocity, resultant force, balanced, unbalanced forces, acceleration, deceleration, weight, air resistance. Right, this is a 6-mark question, so I'm going to give you 6 minutes to actually answer this question. 1 minute a mark. Go. Now check your answer with our model answer. Now for the first mark, you can see that I've used the word accelerate and unbalanced forces. Now remember, you can only get an acceleration or a deceleration when you've got unbalanced forces. Right, the second paragraph shows that you understand the idea about air resistance and weight are two opposing forces, and the idea of, for the third mark, you can see that how those forces become balanced and you reach terminal velocity. Now remember, when forces are balanced, they will be either moving at constant speed or stationary. Now, the next paragraph, it shows that when the parachute opens, the key word there is that you're creating a large surface area, and that in turn increases the air resistance. Now, that is bigger than the weight, so therefore the forces are now unbalanced again. So going to the fifth mark, you're now slowing down. Remember, unbalanced, deceleration. For the last mark, you can see that as the air resistance decreases, eventually they are balanced again with the weight. That again shows you that it reaches a second terminal velocity, which is lower than the first one, and forces are balanced again.